wherein the entire cabinet of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who got sworn in along with him on the 9th of June, have been allocated their portfolios last night. And we have now seen most of the union ministers assuming their office today. The entire day, this, of course, exercise will continue. But let's quickly listen in to what is it that the ministers have had to say on their first day in office.
As you know, the Honorable Prime Minister had set a target of originally of 20% blending by 2030. Just to give you the historical background, when the Prime Minister assumed responsibility in 2014, at that stage, ethanol blending was about 1.4%. He set a target of 10% blending by November 22. We were able to accomplish that 5 months in advance. And at that stage, we moved the 20% blending target from 2030 to 2025. So I can tell you that on the basis of what I have seen and the basis of the work in progress, I am reasonably confident that the 20% blending target, which was brought forward from 2030 to 2025, will be completed by the 2025 ethanol year. Is that the correct term? Okay.
We thank Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for entrusting me with this huge responsibility. I will ensure that, along with my both the colleagues, Arjun Ram Meghwal ji and L. Murugan ji, three of us will ensure that Prime Minister's wish to run the Parliament smoothly, taking everybody along successfully. We are committed to the job, and we will ensure whatever it takes, we will reach out to everyone. I also would like to urge all the political parties, all the honorable members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha for their kind cooperation. सबसे पहले तो हम अभी लोकतंत्र के मंदिर में हैं। पार्लियामेंट में ही हमारा देश का भविष्य का चर्चा होती है और यहीं से निर्णय करके देश का हम सेवा करते हैं। हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, हर एक सदस्य, सबका मकसद एक है, देश का सेवा। इसलिए पार्लियामेंट चलाने में सबका योगदान चाहिए, यही उम्मीद है। और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का मूल मंत्र सबका साथ सबका विकास, ये हम पार्लियामेंट से ही इस स्पिरिट को आगे ले जाना चाहते हैं।
सर्वप्रथम तो मैं आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का आभार प्रकट करता हूं कि इतनी महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मेदारी मुझको दी है। और ये जो विभाग है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और आईटी का, ये हम लोगों के लिए, आज के युग के लिए बहुत महत्व रखता है, खासतौर से नौजवान पीढ़ी के लिए। और जो प्रधानमंत्री जी का संकल्प है और उनका जो भारत के प्रति 10 वर्ष का उनका कार्यकाल रहा है, जो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है, उसको आगे और बढ़ाने में मुझे भी उस टीम में स्थान मिला है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.